Your online store is probably losing a ton of cash without you even realizing it. Seriously, 94% of e-commerce sites are failing basic accessibility, which means they're literally turning away customers. We're talking about a market with over $1.2 trillion in spending power. People with disabilities who want to shop, but often can't because sites are a nightmare to navigate. Think about it. Cart abandonment is already super high, right? Well, if someone can't even find your Add to Cart button because it doesn't work with their screen reader, that's a guaranteed lost sale. And it's not just about being nice. Web accessibility lawsuits have shot up 300%, and e-commerce is a big target. But here's the cool part. Making your site accessible actually makes it better for everyone and can massively boost your sales. Some studies show businesses seeing conversion rates jump as high as 200%. It's because accessible design principles create clearer, more intuitive shopping experiences. So, what can you do? Start with the basics. For your product pages, write super descriptive alt text for images. Instead of just blue handbag, try navy blue leather crossbody bag with gold hardware. Make sure your checkout buttons are clearly labeled. Remove item from cart, not just a vague X. And if there's an error in a form, tell people exactly what's wrong. Like, credit card number must be 16 digits. These changes make a huge difference. It's about turning those barriers into actual sales opportunities. So, stop leaving money on the table and make your site work for everyone.